Hello and welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald and today we're going to show you a design that's not colourful, not the usual sort of thing. We're going to basically make a green arrangement. So I've got a whole range of really nice green things. We've got some beautiful green hypericum, I've got the beautiful green asparagus fern, we've got Aspidistra, we've got Fatsias, we've got this fantastic green rose. Now there's a whole range of roses that you'll get now in greens, and I've got some beautiful green Anastasia blooms, and we've got a little bit of skimmia as well. So we're really going to work with this limited colour range, but we're going to create something that's really interesting because it's going to have lots of different texture and interest. So we've got this lovely ceramic bowl, and this is a oval shaped bowl, and all I've done is put some wet foam into there that's been pre-soaked. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll our aspidistras, and I want to really just create an arrangement that's quite low, but really just on that limited palette, but showing the contrast between the different textures of the materials that we have. So if you were looking for a St. Patrick's Day arrangement, then this is the perfect one for you. So straight away we've just created a little bit of a line through our design with our Aspidistra. And I'm going to use these Fatsias again just to create a little bit of a cluster. And because we put one bit there, we're going to put one bit over here. And with our fern, we can put this in and split it down into a couple of lengths actually. So really just using that idea of creating a line going through. And that's actually quite a good way to work. So the skimmia we can just bring quite short as well. So if you're doing like a short compact design, you'll find it works really, really well, and the materials will tend to last quite well also. And now our roses. So our roses are this fantastic green. And we've got quite a few here, so we're really going to mass them. And this one's got quite a lot of texture into the actual head. So it's not just a straight green. It has got like a little tinge of red on it. So, as I say, we've created our line through here. I want to put one or two down as well. Let's pop that back in. So we're really basing our design with the roses. Now for our hypericum, so hypericum is really a branched hypericum, so we can look at our stem and we can work out how best we want to cut this. We want to get a good clean cut on them so that we can push that straight in. I'm going to add our blooms. So again, the knife is brilliant for just cleaning up that stem. With the blooms, you tend to get a little bit of a kind of knotty stem. They've got kind of bumps on them. so we can use our knife just to make that a little bit straighter for actually getting the stem into the foam. Really looking to just check how it's working. And really with this fern we can create that little bit of movement. I don't want it to be too flat, so we're just, for all this is slightly flat, we want a little bit of movement in it. So we can get that just by adding a few little pieces more. We can use another rose. Yeah, so just adding that rose down here has actually worked very, very well. And then just to finish, we're going to create a little bit of an overlay with the asparagus. And there you go. A really simple, funky, all green, but full of texture arrangement just for your house or for your work. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like to click here, you can subscribe and that will keep you up to date with all the videos that we produce. Thank you.